Today I am going to tell you about a country which is also called the House of Oxygen, a land of snakes. The country is world famous for carnival festivals. It is the only country that has won the FIFA World Cup 5 times. Yes, we are talking about Brazil. In Urdu, it is called Wafaki Jamhuriya Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America. It is a land of natural beauty, rainforest, football, and colorful festivals. Welcome to Brazil. Geographically, Brazil is located in the eastern part of South America and touches Atlantic Ocean. It shares border with Argentina, Uruguay, Colombia, Guyana, Venezuela, Peru, Bolivia, Paraguay, French Guiana, Suriname. Brazil is the biggest country in South America and fifth largest country in the world. The population of Brazil is more than 220 million. It is the largest Portuguese-speaking country in the world. The lifestyle here is friendly and vibrant. Most people living in big urban cities like Sao Paulo, Brasilia, Rio de Janeiro. Brazil is the largest country in South America. But how did it become the Brazil we know today? From ancient tribe to colonization to a modern global power, this is the story of Brazil's evolution. Thousands of years ago, indigenous people lived across Brazil. Tribes like Tupi and Guarani built their homes, farmed, hunted, and traded. They live in harmony with nature in Amazon rainforest, savannas, and coastal lands. In 1500, Portuguese explorer Pedro Álvares Cabral landed on Brazil's coast. Portugal claimed the land and started colonization. Brazil became famous for sugarcane plantation and millions of enslaved Africans were brought to work here. This mix of indigenous African European culture shaped Brazil's identity. Brazil grew rich on sugar, gold, and coffee. Cities grew and Catholic churches spread over the land. But slavery and inequality were everywhere. In 1822, Prince Dom Pedro I declared Brazil independent from Portugal. Brazil became an empire, not a republic. Later, under Dom Pedro II, built railways and expanded coffee exports. But slavery continued until 1888. When it was finally abolished, Brazil was the last country in Americas to end slavery. In 1889, the monarchy fell and Brazil became a republic. The 20th century saw growth. In 1960, the capital Brasilia was built, a symbol of a new modern Brazil. A military dictatorship took control in 1964. Economy grew. Brazil became strong in industry, farming, and aviation. Companies like Embraer rose to global fame. In 1985, Brazil returned to democracy. The president tried to balance development and social justice. Today's Brazil is a global agriculture giant. Soybean, coffee, and beans, rich in energy resources and the Amazon rainforest. Cultural powerhouse giving the world samba, carnival, and football legends. From indigenous tribes to colonization, from an empire to modern democracy, Brazil's evolution is the story of struggle, culture, and reliance. It's not just the heart of South America, it is one of the most influential nations in the world. The Amazon rainforest, the lungs of our planet, covering more than 5.5 million square kilometers. It is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. Located in South America, the Amazon spans 9 countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana. Nearly 60% of the Amazon lies in Brazil alone. The Amazon basin is massive, stretching over 2.3 million square miles. Altogether, the Amazon biome covers about 40% of South America. It's not just a forest, it's a world of its own. The jungle is home to over 3 million species of animals and insects, 430 mammals, and 1,300 birds. While many creatures here are gentle, some are extremely dangerous, from venomous snakes to poisonous dart frog. What would you do if you came face to face with one of these fascinating but deadly animals? Today, this natural treasure is under threat. Over the past 40 to 50 years, around 70% of Amazon has been destroyed by deforestation and climate change. If this continues, scientists warn that much of the rainforest could vanish within the next 40 years. The Amazon rainforest is more than just trees, it's the beating heart of our planet, vital for Earth's climate, culture, and future. Protecting it means protecting ourselves.